A very good morning, afternoon and evening to you, ladies and gentlemen, from wherever you're joining us in the world, or in the region, I should say, across the Middle East and Africa. A very warm welcome to the Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards 2023. My name is Nirav Patel. I am the Managing Director of Global Private Banker and the Digital Banker. I'd like to start by thanking all of the participants today who have submitted detailed submissions under this year's assessment cycle. It really is these submissions that allow us to continue assessing banks on this level at a regional and a global and a local scale year on year. So thank you for your efforts. We really do commend them. Of course, not everybody was successful. We had a number of organizations enter this year, and I'm pleased to say that the MEA Innovation Awards is now in its third year. And I'd like to say that it has grown relatively rapidly across the region. We do look forward to running a number of live events next year within the Middle East and Africa region. And it's good to see a new wave of banks also starting to enter the awards program as well and showcase their technological, their digital innovations and iterations to last year's initiatives as well. And at the Digital Banker, we do have our own proprietary assessment framework on how we judge transaction banks, risk management functions, SME banks as well. For those of you who may be joining us for the very first time, please do take note that you joined us through a virtual lobby. Now, this virtual lobby has been packed full of interactive features. They're there for your own benefit. Please do download the collateral, such as the Digital Banker magazine. There are various industry reports, market sizing reports as well, and also a virtual recording room. Now, this virtual recording room has been set up for you to go in and give a narrative, a speech, a spotlight on a new product launch or a new initiative. You know, you can keep it to 2 to 3 minutes, and of course this will be made available to the general public and to the industry, our readers across our digital channels and magazines. Now, we do ask that if you are going to use the virtual dedicated recording room, of course do so at your own discretion, but just bear in mind to do that before or after you have come up and collected your award virtually with us here today. With that said, I believe we have several categories. We are going to kick off soon with the digital innovation categories. I believe we have 3 awards to get through for that. And you know, what's left for me to say before we do start off today is that we've seen a number of technological advancements, you know, since COVID-19. Of course, now people do refer to it as a post-pandemic world. I think we've moved on beyond that, but it's great to see transaction banks, you know, make waves within the way of digital innovation and transformation. Of course, global banks are working together, striving for instant cross-border payments. That is a sort of key focus. We're seeing a number of fintech organizations helping to facilitate that as well, which is fantastic. We're also looking at sort of ESG and seeing how transaction banks are playing a role in helping organizations achieve their ESG mandates as well. And of course, the pressure on banks to ensure that they showcase ESG frameworks and how they intend to achieve those as well. I think from a technological or even from a digital innovation perspective, we're really starting to see banks put customers at the forefront of their business. And this has always been the case, but now more so than ever. One thing that the pandemic did do was accelerate digital, and it has given rise now to very clear models on liquidity, cash management. And we're excited to see what happens over the next 2 to 3 years as well. Ladies and gents, I would like to start off by welcoming our very first award winners within the digital innovation category. And this now is going to be, I believe, 1 out of 3 or 3 awards. So we're going to move over. And let me start by introducing the very first award. Now, this is for, ladies and gents, the Best Trade Finance Platform Initiative. Your winner here is Absa Bank. And unfortunately, we do not have a representative here in person to collect this award, but we will accept this on behalf of Absa Bank. A remarkable achievement. Well done to Absa Bank and the team involved in this initiative. You will get a chance to hear from them at a later stage. Moving over to the next award, which is the Best Mobile App for Corporates. Your winner for this year, ladies and gents, is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, and here we have Jerry Serrao, who is the lead product implementation and customer support. Jerry, excellent to see you on screen. A very warm welcome. I'll pass over the floor to you for a few words. You may need to unmute. I think you're on mute. If you just click unmute, we'll be able to get you audible. Not yet, not yet. There we go. Oh.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah. So thanks, Digital Banker, and thanks for giving us this opportunity to present ourselves. And thanks for the panel for selecting us to be the best in this category. IDCB being a bank of choice for our customers, and the key principle which drives us is customer first, and all our digital innovations is on that background. Thanks for the entire IDCB team who has dedicated themselves for this innovations on the mobile platform, and thank you all and have a nice great evening.
Thank you very much, Jerry, and congratulations to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. And this award was the best mobile app for corporates. A very big congratulations to you and your organization. Let's move over to the final award within the Digital Innovation Awards category. Now, this is for the Best Transaction Banking Innovation Lab, a relatively competitive category. And your winner here today, ladies and gents, is Absa Bank Mauritius. And please help me in welcoming Sunil Ramgobin, who is the Chief Business Officer. Sunil, very warm welcome to you. Congratulations for winning the Best Transaction Banking Innovation Lab. We'd love to hear some words from you.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this award. I think for us, this is a valuable acknowledgement of the key role that Absa Mauritius plays in the banking sector, both locally and in the region. I would like to also see this opportunity to thank all the staff of Absa Bank Mauritius for their dedication and commitment to deliver exceptional value to our customers and to drive innovation in our industry. I think this award will continue to inspires us to continue to innovate and to achieve even greater heights in the future. So for me, once again, many thanks to the Digital Banker for this recognition, which I think will be a really another spur to all the staff to continue to deliver customer excellence through digital. Thank you.
Very good to hear. Congratulations, and thank you for those words, Sunil, who is the Chief Business Officer at Absa Mauritius. And ladies and gents, that was for the Best Transaction Banking Innovation Lab. Now, just before we proceed over to the Technology Awards, of which there are 7 awards to be announced this afternoon, please be aware that your speeches, all of the information that you're providing in order to actually be recognized for this award will be made available. It will be made available across our digital channels, which is our social media platforms, our website, of course, also the Digital Banker magazine as well, throughout our newsletters. So do rest assured that your speeches, photos, and awards logos will be shared in the public domain. So don't worry if you do miss a speech or you don't get to hear from someone, you'll get to hear a little bit more from them at a later stage. For those of you who may be interested in our assessment framework and how we actually rank banks, please do follow thedigitalbanker.com or get in touch with a representative from our organization. You may request post-award insights reports as well as information on the judging methodology. Ladies and gents, with that said, I would love to now go into the Technology Awards. As I mentioned, there's 7 awards to give. We'll start off with the first award within this category, and that is for the Best Automation Initiative. I've just received word that the internet connection over where this gentleman is going to be speaking from is relatively poor at this point, so do excuse us if you don't hear him as well. But please help me in welcoming your winner for the Best Automation Initiative, and that is none other than Mashreq Bank. Okay, and here we actually have Aslihan Demirel Arslan, who is the Senior Vice President. Aslihan, I'm not sure if you're able to say a few words, but let's give it a try.
Okay, I hope you hear me.
It's actually very clear.
Perfect, okay. First of all, thanks for acknowledging all the efforts we have done here. I'm taking this on behalf of the team. It's a privilege and honor to receive this award, and I thank everyone on behalf of the team. So thanks.
Thank you very much, Aslihan. Thanks for those words, and congratulations to Mashreq Bank. And of course, that was for the Best Automation Initiative. We saw Aslihan, Senior Vice President, there accepting the award on behalf of her team and organization. We'll move over, ladies and gents, to the next award category, not the category, rather the next award within the Technology Awards category, and this is the Best API Initiative of the Year. Your winner here is Gulf International Bank, BSC, and here we have Suleiman Balghoinaim, who is the head of wholesale banking. I believe Suleiman is just going to give us a smile and a wave. Congratulations to you, and that was for Gulf International Bank, GIB. Thank you very much. We do have a highly acclaimed up next, ladies and gentlemen, and for those of you who may be observing our award gala for the first time, highly acclaimed is bestowed upon those organizations where our judges felt they also warranted a level of acclaim. This is only handed out amongst extremely competitive categories where more than one submission stood out. There can only be one winner, and there could be a maximum of 2 highly acclaims. Highly acclaims, nonetheless, have achieved a remarkable level of acknowledgement in order to be acknowledged within this category as well. So please do welcome your highly acclaimed for Best API Initiative of the Year, and that is Absa Bank Kenya. And here we have Alan Gakobo, who is the head of cash management. I'm sure he has some very insightful words to give us. Alan, great to see you on screen. Congratulations for this highly acclaimed accolade. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. We are very grateful for this recognition. I think it's testament to a lot of the work that Absa has been doing and we've been doing locally and across as a group. So thank you to the TDB team for allowing us to put in our submission and recognizing our efforts, and we look forward to even a greater performance in the coming days to come. And congratulations to all the winners as well. So I take this on behalf of the team in Absa Bank Kenya, recognizing all the hard work that they've all put in and continue to do. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Alan. Some very kind words there from you, and we look forward to hearing more from Absa Kenya next year. Thank you for your submissions as well. We move over, ladies and gentlemen, to the 4th out of 7 within the Technology Awards category. Now, this is for the Best Data Analytics Initiative. I'd like to welcome your winner for the 2023 program, and this is Mashreq Bank. And over here we have Ms. Deepa Arora, who is the Senior Vice President. Deepa, excellent to see you on screen. The floor's yours. We'll just need to unmute. So if you just click unmute, there we go.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
Loud and clear.
Perfect. I would say thank you to Digital Banker for recognizing our effort in the Best Data Analytics Initiative. As Head of Data Analytics and on behalf of Mashreq Advanced Analytics team, as well as Mashreq, thank you so much for recognizing our effort. We have developed a platform which has an AI-enabled platform which is designed to review big data, curated news, different aspects to identify revenue opportunity and risk triggers. And it's amazing to see industry bringing the innovative cutting-edge technology, use of cutting-edge technology and getting the recognition. So thank you and congratulations to all the participants and the winners and the nominations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepa. That was really insightful. If you'd like to hear more around the initiatives and the work that has gone into achieving these measurable outcomes that have been administered by your winners here today, please, of course, follow the Digital Banker on LinkedIn. We will be posting the winners. And of course, if you are interested to understand what warranted their award, get in touch with us and also keep an eye out for the post-awards insights report. Thank you very much to Deepa, and that was for the Best Data Analytics Initiative. We're going to move over to 5 out of 7 now within the Technology Awards category, and this is for the Best Blockchain Initiative. We have a winner for 2023, and please help me welcome them. It is First Abu Dhabi Bank. And on behalf of FAB, I think we have Mr. Aniruddha Pants, who is the Managing Director, Head of GTB Trade Finance Product Innovation. Aniruddha, great to see you. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you to the digital banker for this great recognition. We are quite humbly accepting this award on behalf of the wider team, First Abu Dhabi Bank, who's worked on this initiative, but also with some of the other market players who have partnered with us in creating this digital ecosystem for digitizing trade in the UAE. The UAE Trade Connect, or UTC as it is called, is a great example of how a blockchain initiative can be deployed, along with using some of the other emerging technologies like AI, like machine learning, in solving the real problem. In this case, we are looking at reducing the amount of duplicate invoicing and fraudulent invoicing and financings that happen in the market. So this has been a great success. A lot of hard work across the banks, across E&, which is erstwhile Etisalat, in kind of putting this solution together for all of UAE, and many thanks to the Central Bank of UAE for the support of this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was really insightful. Great to hear some of the work you're doing over at FAB. That is Aniruddha Pants, the Managing Director, Head of GTB Trade Finance Product Innovation. And of course, that was for the Best Blockchain Initiative. Ladies and gents, please help me in announcing the next award, which is the Outstanding Use of Technology by a Transaction Bank. Your winner here, again, a familiar organization from this afternoon. None other than Mashrek. And here we have Amit Rajan, who is the Executive Vice President, Head of Wholesale Digital and Advanced Analytics. I think, okay, we've had a quick changeover in the camera, but that was a great Houdini trick, that. Over to you for a few words. Congratulations to Mashrek.
Thank you so much. And thanks, Digital Banker, and special thanks to the team. I'm taking it on behalf of a highly motivated, high-performing team over here. We've done a lot of work in technology, in bringing emerging technology into the bank, in bringing digital technologies into the bank, and we look at it from a customer-centric point of view. And from Mashrek's point of view, innovation is in our DNA, and we, despite being one of the oldest banks in the region, consider ourselves to be a challenger bank. We consider ourselves to be a digital bank, and I think awards like these are testament to what the team is doing, what the vision of the bank is, and how senior management really focuses on looking at technology as a differentiator for us, and how we can bring in the best of breed to our customers. So thank you again, and congratulations to everyone.
Yeah, very welcome and very, very much warranted as well. Great to hear the remarkable work the team's doing, the painstaking work that all organizations are really doing. So, thank you very much for those words, Amit. And that was Mashrek Bank for the Outstanding Use of Technology by a Transaction Bank. Ladies and gents, we're going to move over to the final award within the Technology Awards category. Now, this is a highly acclaimed award. Of course, it's for the Outstanding Use of Technology by a Transaction Bank again. And we have the final winner within this category, and that is Absa Bank Mauritius. And here we have Sandeep Mohapatra, who is the Head of Digital Transformation and Technology. Sandeep, it's been a while. It's great to see you again. Please do say a few words. Over to you.
Thank you, Nirav, and thanks, Digital Banker. It's a real honor for me to accept this award on behalf of Absa Bank Mauritius, especially given that it's a highly acclaimed award. This award symbolizes our efforts at Absa to stay in the forefront of technology innovations by leveraging technology to drive efficiency and exceptional customer experience for our customers. As a transaction bank, we understand the critical role that technology plays in the financial services industry to be a powerful enabler of growth and innovation. We are proud to have developed a range of cutting-edge solutions that have helped us enhance our operations, streamline our processes, and more importantly, provide our clients with a seamless experience. Our commitment to digital transformation has been a challenging and a long one, but it's been a very fruitful one. I dedicate this award to my entire team out here who's worked tirelessly to get us where we are today. We will continue to embrace emerging tech, foster a culture of experimentation and learning, and work collaboratively as usual to bring new possibilities to life. Thank you once again, Digital Banker.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Sandeep, and of course, congratulations to Absa Mauritius for that accolade as well. Ladies and gents, that actually concludes the first two set of award categories. We're going to move over to the Transaction Banking Service Awards in just a few moments. I would like to say that what you don't see behind the scenes is that these awards programs are actually created specifically around the pain points of end users, right? So corporate customers, SME banking customers, or retail banking customers, wealth management customers, whatever line of business within the FSI industry you're in, the digital banker and global private banker actually look at awards programs and create them specifically for the initiatives that your organization is driving. We want to look at what the pain points of your customers were, why the initiative was actually implemented in the first place, and then what the iterations are year on year. We also want to understand what the measurable outcomes were and how they were measured. So we do want to applaud all of the organizations. This is, of course, a commoditized industry. Banks are competing with one another. They're trying their best to pursue the digital journey forward. And of course, there's a number of regulatory constraints as well. But at the same time, we're seeing remarkable achievements. This is what customers are demanding. And it's great to see financial services really taking that and putting it at the forefront of their business. Of course, it's not always going to work, but once it does, it's fantastic, and it really does help the digital economy move along. The applications of banking are far more than just a utility. So we do have to look upon banks as sometimes a conduit of the economy in many, many ways. And these awards programs really do give us a hell of a lot of information. The amount of data sets you guys are actually submitting to the digital banker really allows us to benchmark best practices. And I can assure you, if you do get in touch with our teams, and if you are interested in understanding what these organizations are doing, you know, what are some of the journeys that they're undertaking from a digital perspective as well, we can provide those insights. The most important thing, of course, is that these award programs continue running. Whilst it is important for customers and for the wider industries to see banks, on these sort of on these platforms, it's really interesting to actually see the work that's going on behind the scenes. And that's what we love to do, and we will continue to do that year on year. So just once again, for those of you joining us just now, thank you so much for being part of this award cycle this year. And thanks for being part of the entire award calendar for the other awards programs as well. Just a quick reminder for those who have just joined us, there is an interactive lobby with a virtual recording room. If you do have a couple of moments, feel free to go and leverage it. You can give a 1 to 2 minute speech. Within that will then be played across our social media channels. Of course, do that at your own discretion, ideally before or after you collect your awards up here. We're going to move over, ladies and gents, to the Transaction Banking Service Awards now, and I believe we have 6 awards within this category. So let's start off with the very first one. And I believe that is, I'll just make sure I've got my bearings correct. And this is the best corporate card solution. And we have a winner for this year who is none other than Gulf International Bank, BSC. And here we have Hariraj Subramanian, who is the head of cash management. Hariraj, great to see you on site, and this is for the best corporate card solution. Would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much. Firstly, I think I'd like to thank the GIB team for making this possible, and Digital Banker for recognizing this initiative. It just reiterate the strength of our commercial card proposition and the impact it has created in the market for our corporate client, especially in digitizing and transforming the working capital and payment space. So thank you so much for the award.
Thank you very much for those words, Hariraj, and congratulations to you and, of course, the entire team at GIB there. That was for the best corporate card solution under the MEA 2023 award cycle. We move over, ladies and gents, to the second out of the 6 awards within the Transaction Banking Service category. Now, this is for the best virtual accounts initiative, and your winner here is First Abu Dhabi Bank. And please help me in welcoming Gautam Dutta, the Managing Director and Head of GTB Cash Management Product Innovation. Gautam, excellent to see you on screen. Over to you. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much, Digital Banker, for this award and initiative. It has been a roller coaster ride for us in terms of crafting the proposition, working with clients and trying to incorporate everything the client wants using digital technology. And I'm grateful to Digital Banker for recognizing this. I'm also grateful to the team who has worked along with us in order to make this a reality. And of course, FAB with the senior management leadership has been excellently supporting us in making this a true success journey. So thank you once again, and good luck to all the nominees and awardees.
Thank you very much, Gautam, and congratulations to FAB there for the Best Virtual Account Initiative. We move over now to the Best ERP Integration Initiative, and your winner here is, once again, please help me in welcoming Gulf International Bank, and here we have Mohammed Afzal, who is the head of e-channels. Mohammed, congratulations, a very warm welcome. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much, Digital Banker team, and it's a great recognition for GIB to continue with our digital transformation journey to address the customers' service-related integrations and the propositions. So this will be a great value addition for us to further enhance for our customers with the great solutions, including ERPs, which is API-driven approach, and so on. Thank you very much again for the team who worked towards achieving this.
Thank you very much, Mohammed, and congratulations for winning the Best ERP Integration Initiative for 2023. Ladies and gents, the next award within the Transaction Banking Service category is the Outstanding Account Opening and Onboarding Initiative. Of course, a highly competitive category. It is also not just within transaction banking, but across the sort of retail banking landscape as well. Our recent Digital Customer Experience Awards program, which received over 600 submissions from over 120 institutions, actually saw that account opening and onboarding was the most attractive or the most busy category, the most competitive, receiving a vast number of submissions. So we know how much effort banks are driving in, really driving transformation around account opening and onboarding. So I'd like to welcome your winner for 2023. That is Mashreq Bank, and here we have Nazar Ihsan, who is the Senior Vice President. Nazar, I think we saw you on the screen for a few seconds earlier on, but we'd love to hear a few words from you.
So thank you very much. I'm very happy to be accepting this award on behalf of the team, on behalf of Mashreq. See, all banks have been in the race to digitize onboarding, and all of it has been focused on the retail and the individual and SME or business banking segment. What Mashreq is very proud of, that we've been able to do it for large corporates. And watch this space for much more exciting stuff coming in the next 3 or 4 weeks. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much, and this is very exciting for us as well. So we'll be keeping a key eye out for that, and this is the whole reason why the Digital Banker has the Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards aimed only at transaction banks and risk management functions. We also have the Global Transaction Banking Award Program as well, which will run later this year. This is a segment where we are really going to see a wave of disruption, and we look forward to that. Ladies and gents, please, obviously, the final congratulations over to Mashreq for the Outstanding Account Opening and Onboarding Initiative, which now brings us over to the penultimate awards within the Transaction Banking Service Awards. And this is for the Outstanding Cross-Border Payment Solution for Corporates. Your winner here for 2023 is Gulf International Bank, and I believe we have Sheikh Manzoor Sabir, who is the head of cash products. I don't believe we're going to hear from him, but a smile and a wave will suffice. Thank you very much, and congratulations to yourself and, of course, to GIB for that outstanding achievement. We'll be able to hear more from GIB and this particular initiative a little later on in the week. Ladies and gents, we now move over to the final award within the Transaction Banking Service Awards category, and this is for the Outstanding FX Services Solution. Of course, a highly pertinent award, and this goes to HSBC, and here we have Thomas Huizinga, who is the head of FX Payments and Liabilities, who is joined by Tahmina Hassan, who is the Product Manager, FX and Global Money. Guys, a very warm welcome to you. Great to see you on screen. I'd love to pass the floor over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. You can hear us okay, right?
Yeah, loud and clear, coming through, very audible.
Excellent. So look, our customers can activate their global money accounts seamlessly on their HSBC UAE mobile banking app. And the account gives them access to 21 different currencies, which they can hold and convert on the go. The ability to spend in 20 different currencies using their multi-currency global money debit card. And also the ability to remit in over 60 currencies, including INR, PKR, and PHP, to over 100 countries worldwide using the global money transfer service, all fee-free. We've built a product that's very much in keeping, as you know, with the everyday FX demands of those living in the UAE, the vast majority of which will have some sort of FX need, be it for remittance, for travel, or even online spending. And to that end, we're really delighted and grateful to the Digital Banker Committee for the acknowledgement of global money. A special thanks goes to all those colleagues across the group of HSBC who dedicate themselves to making the global money the product that it is. The hard work does not stop, and we're really excited to continue the development of the product in the coming months and years for the ultimate betterment of those living in the UAE. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We can't wait to hear more about that as well. And what a fantastic achievement as well. And great to hear some of those metrics and also some of the pain points that you're resolving there as well. Thank you very much to Thomas and to Tahmina for accepting that award on behalf of HSBC. That was, I believe, the final award within the Transaction Banking Service Awards. We're going to move swiftly over now to the Risk Management Awards. There is only one this year, ladies and gents, and this is for the outstanding achievement in operational risk management within the Middle East and Africa. Your winner here for 2023 is Mashrek, and once again, we have Amit Rajan, EVP, Head of Wholesale, Digital and Advanced Analytics. Gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you for this Risk Management Award. Over to you for a few words.
Thanks. I am going to let Nazar speak. Nazar ran the initiative. So again, thank you, Digital Banker, but let's hear from Nazar.
Thank you, Amit. So thank you very much, Digital Banker. We're happy to accept this on behalf of the team, on behalf of Mashrek. So KYC for financial institutions is often a challenge. The same financial institution or bank has a relationship with in 8, 10 or 15 different locations. What used to happen was, and what many banks still have to do is they have to do 8, 10 or 15 different individual KYCs. The system creates one global golden record, and is customized to meet regulatory and risk management requirements for various geographies. So instead of doing KYC 10 times, we do it once. We are happy, regulators are happy, and most importantly, clients are happy. We've been featured in RegTech 100, which is the list of the world's most innovative RegTech companies, and we're very proud to add this award to our menu as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nazar and Amit and the gentleman from Mashrek Bank. Congratulations to you for that particular accolade. Ladies and gents, we're going to move over now to the country awards in just a short while. I will reiterate for those of you joining us literally just now that there is an interactive lobby for you to leverage with a number of digital assets to enjoy and consume at your own discretion, such as the TDB magazine, along with one or two industry reports. There are also, I believe, videos from past galas and events alike. If you do want to engage us for any thought leadership, podcasts, interviews, to talk about new product launches, initiatives, or their iterations, please get in touch with one of our team. I would just like to say a sincere congratulations to all honorees that we've just announced a little bit early on this afternoon, this morning, this evening, wherever you're joining us from in the world. And once again, thank you for sending in such detailed submissions. I believe as an awards body, the Digital Banker does ask for relatively granular data sets and information. But with that said, the amount of effort that you undertake to fill in those and complete those submissions really allows us to sincerely benchmark in a very agnostic and unbiased way, also welcoming in an external jury to really ensure that this accreditation is unrivaled globally. So a sincere congratulations to all of you. We're going to move over now to the country awards. I believe we have 6 to go through. We're going to begin with the first one, which is now for the best bank for cash management in UAE. And your winner here is First Abu Dhabi Bank. We heard from Gautam Dutta earlier, who is the MD and head of GTB Cash Management Product Innovation. Now, this is for the best bank for cash management in UAE overall. So, Gautam, if you would like to say a few words, we'd love to hear from you.
Well, thanks once again. I think this is a testament to what we have been doing along with our clients. I think our clients deserve more praise than us in terms of working with us and making this challenging us at every point of time in order to come out with innovative solutions and propositions. Not only are we looking at payments and collections, we're also looking at moving into the treasury optimization space, wherein we have worked with clients in terms of devising and developing and creating the treasury journey. So I would like to thank FAB, my partners, my team members, and of course Digital Banker, who has considered us to be, suitable for this award. And thank you once again.
Thank you, Gautam, and congratulations to FAB, or First Abu Dhabi Bank, for the best bank for cash management in UAE. The second out of the 6 awards within the country awards is now for the best bank for trade finance in Egypt. And your winner here is QNB Ali, and we have 2 recipients here, which is Mr. Ehab Samir, Head of Trade Finance Operations, and Mr. Ali Abdel Rauf, who is the Head of Operations Division. Gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you. Excellent to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words for the best bank for trade finance in Egypt.
Thank you very much for your recognition. Also, I would like to thank my Trade Finance Operations team. Thank you again. Congratulations for everyone.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to yourselves as well, and to QNB Al Ahli for the best bank for trade finance in Egypt. And just before we move over to the third out of the 6 country awards, we understand that there are various institutions and obviously the audience joining us through various times. So forgive me if I'm repeating myself for those of you who've been here from the start, but just do bear in mind that you will get a chance to hear from all of our winners, their individual acceptance speeches, and a little bit more of an insight narrative into the initiatives that have won at a later stage over the next few days. So don't worry, you haven't missed anything. Now we go over to the best bank for payments and collections in the UAE. And your winner once again, ladies and gents, for 2023 award cycle is the First Abu Dhabi Bank. And again, we have Gautam on stage. I think this is for a relatively different award, so it's probably worthwhile just hearing a little bit from you as well, Gautam.
Yeah, thank you so much once again. I think I thought of just giving a smile in a way, but I could not control myself. So essentially, payments and collections is probably the bedrock of our cash management system. And the work that we are doing around payments and collections, somebody mentioned about technology. We are trying to imbibe that with our own development framework. We're also looking at tokenization payments. We're also looking at central bank digital currency in a big way, so that we can really move away with the fiat and also look at experimenting around the various new form of money that is going to come in the near future. So reimagining money, reimagining transaction, putting programmable payments into effect is something that we're experimenting. And we've also started working with a couple of clients who have evinced interest. So I think discovery is the key word for us around payments and collections. We might fail, but what we do at this point of time is come out with variable sort of POCs which are being tested as we take the payment transformation journey to a different sort of landscape. We believe in creating the destination, and that's what we are trying to do. So thank you once again, Digital Banker, for giving us this opportunity and recognizing us in this forum.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much, Gautam. Well warranted. And of course, we value organizations that are forward thinking and embrace disruption, dare to fail, of course, which does lead to final success. So congratulations to FAB for that particular award. The next award within the country award category is for the best bank for trade finance in Mauritius. Ladies and gents, please help me in welcoming your winner for 2023, all the way from Mauritius. It is Absa Bank, and here we have Sajid Bohdi, who is the head of transactional Services. Sajid, over to you for a few words.
Thank you. I'm deeply honored today to receive this award on behalf of Absa Bank Mauritius. Our teams have been very relentless in trying to up the game for our clients, be it on the digital front with Absa Access Online and our trade platform. We've been quite focused as well on developing our corridors to Africa, be it from the Middle East and Asia, be it from European and US corridor, as well as China corridor. On the other hand, FI trade has been quite high on our agenda. We try to position Absa Mauritius as a FI trade platform for the group and for other banks into Mauritius. This award is quite a good reflection of the trust our clients has put into us and the efforts our teams have been putting in. It's not one, it's 3 awards that we are receiving today, and I think it's quite an honor and deeply pleased for me personally and for the team to be receiving 3 awards. We'll be celebrating after, and again, thank you, Digital Banker, for this. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for your committed drive in excellence and, of course, to your support within these awards programs. As I mentioned earlier, it is this commitment and this drive that really allows us, enables us to continue running these awards programs year on year. And our mission is really to assist the industry in advancing, not only digitally, but from the perspective of customers as well. So congratulations to all. And we just heard from Sajid from Absa Bank Mauritius, which was the best bank for trade finance in Mauritius. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. Let's move over now to the 5th award within the 6 of country awards. And this is for the best bank for trade finance now in South Africa. Again, a competitive category. Your winner for 2023 is First National Bank, and here we see Mr. Bobby Madhav on screen. Now, Bobby is the head of trade and STCF. Bobby, I'm unsure if you're going to say a few words, but the floor is yours if you are. I would like to congratulate you on this remarkable achievement, nevertheless.
Thank you, and a special thanks to the Digital Banker. I think it's indeed an honor to receive this award today on behalf of First National Bank South Africa. I think First National Bank South Africa strives itself to ensure that we can actually better the lives of individuals in the country by making sure that we can finance our customers to grow them, to take them to better heights, and also bringing innovation at the forefront of any trade finance transaction. We are very proud as a bank. We have a full end-to-end solutioning program on trade finance. We're including the freight forwarding and licensing and certifications of any exports and imports into the country. We as a bank are now ensuring that this innovation gets to the market by no later than June into the market, where we fully embrace a full end-to-end solution for trade finance for all our customers. It's absolutely a one-stop solution for our customers. And so thank you to you, and thank you to all the, and also special thanks to all the nominees. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you very much, Bobby. Exceptional work over there from First National Bank, and that was for the best bank for trade finance in South Africa. We move over to the final awards within the country awards category, ladies and gents, which is the best bank for transaction banking services now in UAE overall. A familiar winner from this afternoon. Please help me once again welcoming First Abu Dhabi Bank. And here we have Sanjay Sethi, who is the Senior Managing Director and Head of Global Transaction Banking. Sanjay, great to see you on screen. Congratulations for this fantastic achievement. Over to you for a few words.
Yeah, thank you. It's an honor to be recognized as a market leader in transaction banking in UAE. I think the award is also a testament to the FAB GTB team's commitment to innovation, the slew of new product offerings that we've set out, all the speed of our channel rollouts and the delivery excellence, and also it highlights probably FAB GTB's focus on digital transformation and the emphasis that the bank has had to deliver seamless digital experiences to clients. So thank you, Digital Banker, for the award, and a shout out to the team for making it happen.
Thank you very much, Sanjay, and congratulations to you and, of course, everybody over at FAB for that fantastic achievement. I would like to thank all the winners who have been announced so far this evening. Ladies and gents, we only have one more award category to go through this evening, and that is for the regional awards. I believe there are 7 awards. Once again, if you are just joining us, please do ensure that you use the interactive lobby to take photos, to commemorate your teams, and of course to use the virtual recording room to talk a little bit around the initiatives that have won this afternoon as well. I hope for all of you spectating around the world, of course in Middle East and Africa, you're finding some of these speeches quite insightful. It's not only to commemorate the winners for their remarkable hard work and their effort in driving digital, their effort in driving and embracing disruption, and of course driving sort of transformation, but it's also great to hear about the initiatives, the product suites, the slew of hard work that's going on, and what's really sort of warranting these acclaims. So congratulations to everybody so far. Thank you so much for your submissions. Let's move over to the final category for this afternoon, and that is for the regional awards. Now we have 7 awards to go through, and I'm looking forward to hearing from some of these honorees. The first award is for the Best Bank for Cash Management in Africa, and this award goes to Absa Bank. Unfortunately, we do not have a representative because of prior engagements, but you will get to hear from them a little bit later on, so I will accept this award on behalf of Absa. Congratulations. Moving over now, ladies and gents, to the Best Bank for Cash Management in Middle East. And once again, your winner here is First Abu Dhabi Bank, and we see Gautam here. Gautam, of course, you're very welcome to give a smile and a wave. I know you have said a few words, but of course, you're very welcome to, if you would like to, again. Congratulations. And that is for the Best Bank for Cash Management in Middle East. We do have a highly acclaimed for Best Bank for Cash Management in Middle East. And this year we have selected, and our jury has selected, none other than Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, otherwise known as ADCB. And here we have Ms. Anna Rita Sa, who is the lead product management, cash management and escrow. Anna, great to see you on screen. I'd love to hear a few words from you. I don't think you are going to say a few words, but if you would like to, you're very welcome.
I will. Thank you so much. I would like to thank you to the Digital Banker first for organizing and hosting this event and promoting this awards program. On behalf of ADCB, of course, I proudly accept this highly acclamation that I think it recognizes the effort, the investment in products, the innovation that it's being done at ADCB. Of course, this is an award collectively by several teams in ADCB that gives us even more strength and motivation to continue to work hand in hand with our clients to provide further and better cash management solutions. Thank you.
Excellent words. Thank you so much for those insights, Anna. Great to hear from you, and congratulations to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank for the highly acclaimed and Best Bank for Cash Management in the Middle East. Moving over to the Best Bank for Payments and Collections in the Middle East now, ladies and gents. And once more, please put your hands together for First Abu Dhabi Bank and of course to Mr. Gautam Dutta, MD and Head of GTB Cash Management Product Innovation for this particular awards. There's been a number of awards now that FAB have been provided with this evening or afternoon. So congratulations to you and your whole team for this achievement.
Thank you so much, Digital Banker. And I think this also goes back to what I mentioned previously. Our customers, I want to thank them. My bank, I want to thank them. And also I want to thank our product proposition and partners who have actually made this regional solution work for us so seamlessly. We have got clients across multiple jurisdictions, multiple sort of requirements, and we have been able to stitch together in order to provide an embedded solution on our digital platform using the transformation journey that we have scripted so far. And thank you once again to Digital Banker for recognizing this achievement. And we have been able to, I think we will be able to continue in this journey of striving for perfection as we move forward. Thanks once again.
Absolutely, and congratulations to First Abu Dhabi Bank, and thank you of course to Gautam Dutta for accepting the award on behalf of his colleagues and the institution there. And that was for the Best Bank for Payments and Collections in the Middle East. Number 5 out of 7 now, ladies and gents, as we near the end of today's awards gala, which is brought to you virtually, of course, by the Digital Banker. This is for the Best Bank for Trade Finance in Africa. And once again, please help me in commemorating your winner for 2023, which is Absa Group Limited. Unfortunately, as you know, we do not have a representative live here today. So we'll accept this award on their behalf and congratulate them nonetheless. Now, the penultimate award for the regional awards category is for the best bank for transaction banking services in Africa. And this goes to Nedbank Retail and Business Banking. And over here we have Dayalan Govender. I hope I said the first name correct. That's a very cool name. And Dayalan is the Managing Executive Solution Innovation for Nedbank Retail and Business Banking. Dayalan, amazing to see you on screen. Congratulations to Nedbank for this remarkable achievement. Over to you for a few words.
Yeah, thank you, Nirav, and thanks to the Digital Banker as well. I'm truly honored to accept this award on behalf of Nedbank, for the best bank for transaction banking services in Africa. And I firstly would like to thank all of the Nedbankers for their contribution. I mean, this recognition is testament to the hard work and dedication of our teams who strive to provide exceptional service and innovative solutions to our clients. Our purpose at Nedbank is to use our financial expertise to do good, for our communities. And we recognize the importance of trust and integrity in our relationships with clients. We are absolutely committed to upholding these values and continuously improving our services to meet the evolving needs of our clients. We are truly grateful for this recognition and will continue to work tirelessly to maintain our reputation as a trusted financial partner. Thank you once again for this award.
Thank you so much, Dayalan, and great to see you. And that was, of course, to Nedbank Retail and Business Banking for the best bank for transaction banking services in Africa. Thank you so much for those insights, and a sincere congratulations to yourself and the whole team. You'll get to hear more from Nedbank and, of course, from all the recipients of awards earlier in the next few days. Ladies and gents, we're going to move over to the final award of the Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards 2023 program. And that is for the best bank for transaction banking services in the Middle East. And your winner here is first Abu Dhabi Bank. We heard from Sanjay Sethi a little earlier on. He is the Senior MD and Head of Global Transaction Banking. I'm going to pass the floor over to him. Sanjay, you can help me conclude this afternoon. But congratulations to you and the team for this fantastic achievement.
Yeah, thank you. Absolutely delighted to receive the award from the Digital Banker, which commemorates leading banks in the transaction banking landscape here in the Middle East. And FAB is honored to receive this as a regional leader. So this award, I think, pays tribute to FAB's achievements in the GTB sector. And also, I think it highlights our ambition to continue to provide leading cash management and trade solutions to the clients across the region. Gautam spoke about what we have done in the cash management space, whether it's payments or receivables, as well as virtual accounts. We've also rolled out treasury management solutions in December 2022, which has been taken up very well. We've broadened our value propositions and partnerships with key fintechs. We've launched our sustainable CASA and sustainable supply chain finance solutions, which have been very well received. So all that leads to, just to sort of see that it's been a long, hard journey to get to this level. But I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our clients who have placed their trust in us over the years. And thank you once again, Digital Banker, for this incredible honor. Much appreciated.
Thank you, Sanjay. You're very welcome, very well warranted. And of course, congratulations to yourself and the entire team at First Abu Dhabi Bank. Thank you so much. Sanjay was the last award recipient of this evening. So there's not much left for me to say apart from to once again, probably for the third time, but to, of course, to sincerely thank all of you that took part. I think you'll all agree that we've had a number of institutions here of various sizes and various divisions and project teams within those institutions that have come together on this platform and taken time to talk about some of the initiatives and the sort of key outcomes that they have achieved. And of course, one thing that seems to resonate across all of those narratives is how those iterations will continue to improve year on year. And that's what we're all about here at the Digital Banker and of course at Global Private Banker as well. We look forward to looking at these assessment programs and comparing them year on year to see how these investments that you're making in your organization, in your customers, is really starting to advance year on year. So our aim is to grow this program exponentially next year. We don't see any signs of this slowing down, regardless of economic conditions in various markets, we do see that the financial services industry, whether it's transaction banking, retail, wealth management, private banking, asset management, we see a relatively, I would say an exponential rise in investment, financial and capital investment, of course, but also in digital innovation, because that's just what corporate customers and retail customers expect. Right? This is just the way the world is moving. This is the way the digital economy is going to be shaping in the sort of decade ahead. And of course, what banking looks like today will be very different to what it looks like in the next sort of 10 years. So of course, I think banks are very well placed now as incumbents to really put the customer at the forefront and look at the products, the suite of services that they're offering, and how to improve them in the digital world. So thank you so much to everybody that participated. Thank you to the audience. Our next award program, ladies and gents, that is going to come to you live in Singapore in person is the Global Private Banking Innovation Awards. This is a global program, one of the largest private banking assessment programs worldwide. We look forward to welcoming the honorees in Singapore on the 8th of June. If you are interested in any of the other programs, I'm delighted to let you know that we have actually launched the Global Payments Innovation Awards, which is open to a number of banks, but also to third-party payment processors, as well as merchants and various other categories of organizations. Please do take a look at that. We've also launched our Digital Assets Awards program as well. So these are for banks that are actually driving the digital asset infrastructure to offer digital assets as a custodian or more. And of course, crypto exchanges and various other platforms as well. These two programs have already received exponential number of submissions, and we're not even near the submission deadline. So if you're interested in being part of that, please get in touch with the Digital Banker team. Other than that, I would like to thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of Global Private Banker and the Digital Banker. Delighted to see you all here today, and a final congratulations to our 2023 honorees of the MEA Innovation Awards. Ladies and gents, a very good night to you all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.